Okay, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to doing the VLOOKUP, but instead of using the first column as a reference, I will use the second column or the third column or any columns to make it as a reference. So as you know, usually or in default, the VLOOKUP function is reference to the first column. For example, here I have 3 columns. So we do VLOOKUP. The first one here is the reference column. Okay, now how to doing this first. Here I already have the table. There is a number, name, and then grade. Maybe this one is students grade. I don't know. Okay, it's just an example. And then now I will show you the VLOOKUP, common VLOOKUP. Oops. Common VLOOKUP. Let's say we want to search the grade of Abigail. And then we do equal VLOOKUP. And then we drag the column as a B column or a name column as a, first click the search key, the Abigail here, and then comma, and then put the range that the B column must be the first column, comma, and then you want to search this indexing the second column, so put the 2, and then is sorted, of course not, put 0 and then hit the enter. Okay, this one the common VLOOKUP. Now if I want to VLOOKUP as second column, what if I want to search who has the 70 grade using VLOOKUP? Okay, the principle actually the same principle with the first one, but the problem is the sequence of the table. So I will rearrange the table using a function. I don't know it can be used on Excel or not, but in Google Sheet it's perfectly done. Now I put the enter. I want to make the pseudo table first, and then the bracket, this bracket, okay, and then drag the C column, and then hit the comma, and then B1 to B7 column, and then close the bracket. Now I have the table is already spinned off the grade in on the first column and the name on the second column. Okay, now how to doing this? We just click equal to VLOOKUP, and then the search key, of course this one, the 70 value, and then the range. First I will drag this area, and then the index, of course 2, and is it sorted? Of course not, put the 0. Now I return the Abigail, but I want to delete this column, so I copy the function here. This function should be copied. This function should be copied, and then open this function, edit this function, press the F2, and then the range, paste the one you already copied, and then hit the enter. Now I can delete the table that I already rearranged. Okay, that's the tutorial today. So the main purpose is we do the pseudo table, or we rearrange the table using the function rearrange function, rearrange the table. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. If you like, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.